Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Adarsh Mishra and today we are going to make a scratch game. इस गेम में कुछ ऐसा होगा कि एक बॉल होगा और हमको उसको गिरने से बचाना होगा. So let's begin. First, go to Sprite. Uh, I'm choosing a ball here. Yeah, this one. So yeah. Now I'm changing the backdrop to this. Yeah. Now go to events, drag this here. Now go to motion, drag this here, change it to 45. Yeah. Now go to control, drag one forever here. Now go to motion, move 15 steps in this. Yeah. Yeah. Now in motion, scroll down, drag this. Yeah. Now go to sprite again, right here, paddle, paddle. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now go to events, drag this. Now go to control again, one forever, forever. Now go to motion. hmm Yeah, this. Sit. Mm. Drag this here, set X and this. Sorry, wait a second. mm, yeah guys, yeah, this. Yeah, so this. Now go to ball again, drag one when flag clicked. Now go to forever, control, drag one forever here. Now go to stay in for control only, drag if then touching, change it to paddle, touching pedal, then turn 180 degree. Now go to this, turn 180 degree. Wait a second. Yeah, 180 degree, 180 degree. Yes. Now move 15 steps. Yes. Wait for 0.5 seconds. Yeah. Drag this here and change it to 0.5 second. Now go to variable, make a variable name score. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let me change this and this too. Now drag change score by 1 and put it in the between of. Yes. And now go to then go to events, drag this here, Now again go to variable, set score to 0. Yes. Now again go to sprite, right here line. Yeah. Drag this here, drag it to the end. So it will mark the end. Yes. Now go to events, when flag clicked. Now go to control, forever. Now if drag one here, if, then go to sensing, yeah, yes, yes, then go to this, control and drag stop all here. Okay, yes, so it's completed. Now let me run it. Yeah. Oh. So you can see where my mouse is pointing, going here and there, the paddle is moving. See, wait a second. Yes, see, 1 point, 2 points, and if it will touch the line, then the game will finished. Okay, so our project is completed. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.